This super delicious and easy chocolate fudge made without any chocolate or condensed milk is one of my all-time favorite fudge recipes. Start with sifting or whisking your milk powder and then whisk in some cocoa powder into it, and don't forget to add some salt to enhance the sweet flavor of the super yum fudge. Mix with a wire whisk until everything is combined together. Once combined, set it aside and then take a pan and add water into it along with some sugar. Bring it to a boil, and once boiled, let it simmer on low heat for 10 minutes. Now add butter into it and keep stirring until the butter is completely melted. Now take it down from the heat and add some vanilla extract into it and mix it again. Now pour this over powdered milk mixture and beat with your hand mixer, or you can use your wire whisk also, until smooth and well incorporated. Give it a last mix with your spatula and pour the mixture into an 8 or 9-inch square pan greased with butter and lined with parchment paper. Sprinkle some toasted chopped walnuts over the top and let it cool to room temperature. So once cool and set, take it out of the pan and cut them into desired size slices, and your super yum and soft, melt in your mouth kind of fudge is ready to eat. Now this is going to be your perfect dessert for the Valentines. Enjoy!